Hello, my name is Rokli Kiranasho from Nagar. Today's date is 24 June 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is variables and its importance and its types. So we have discussed about the variables and its types. So let's before we are going to the data types. What is mean by data types? There are two types of data types. First upon primitive data types and second upon non-primitive data types. So primitive data types like character, float, double, int, byte, etc. long, and the non-primitive data types like string, array, structure and union. But structure and union is not a part in Java, not a part of Java. It is not support in Java. So we have discussed about the variables. What is mean by variables? Variables means it's a memory location, allocation to memory location to data, data, hold to data, hold to data, hold to data variables. And then variables means it's broken to two words, vary and plus ables. Vary plus ables means it variables value can be changed, continuously change. So we have declare about the declare the various ways of to declare the variables. Like we have declared the suppose camel case word, camel case, int salary, then int rate of double int rate of interest. It is a camel case. We have declared the variables, and then variable is a symbolic declaration. And so we have how to declare, how to initialize, how to declare the variables. Suppose we have suppose int salary. Salary is equal to salary is equal to value. Suppose salary is equal to 25,000. It is a declare to variables. And then variables is a variables are in Java. Variables value is a case sensitive in Java. So there are three types of variables. Like first upon local variables, then instant variables, and then third upon static variables. So let's start. We have discussed about the one by one. So first upon local variables. Local variables means we have we have declare the inside the class. So we have declared the inside the methods, inside the class of methods, inside the body of methods. So it is the local variables. So we have declared the local variables like suppose we are using the applying the every program we are using the for loop. Suppose for loop means for int I is equal to 0, I is less than suppose 5, I plus plus. So int I is equal to 10, I is equal to is a I is a local variables in that for loop. So we have execution and start of program execution and end of program execution are using the local variables. Suppose we have start the program with open the curly braces and end of the program to close the curly braces. Local variables we have write the local variables in body of methods. And then second of one instant variables. So instant variables means it declares declares in the class but outside the methods. So it is the instant variables. So instant variables, how to declare the actual program programming time. So we have declared the suppose we have created the suppose we have declared the suppose int suppose int salary, int suppose float, suppose double area. It is a declaration of instant variables. And then instant variables is a declare the in our class but outside the methods. So third upon static variables means it declares with declares in inside the class but not inside the methods. It is a static variables. Static variables means it declared the static by using the static keywords, not using the final protected private. It is not using static keywords, static variables. And then static variables is mostly used in Java language because it's accessible to all over. Suppose we have created the we have put the variables. Suppose we have put the variable. It is access to all the variables classes like private, protected, and public. So it is the static variables. So it is all over about the, suppose we have mentioned the summary. So we have discussed about the variables and data types, like primitive data types, non-primitive data types, and then there are three types of variables, like local variables, instant variables, and static variables. We have discussed about the all over about the before we are it's all over about the variables and its types. So thank you so much.